Urukiko rwabahamuzi kitugwanya mitanga kandi rwaba rwebembirwe mukuru w'Abasiraamu habwa Mbarara Sheikh Abdallah Mukwaya.
Mujukira bulungi nti twalina omusango ogwatuuse oluvannyuma lw'okumala ekiseera ky'emyaka 7 twatuula ne tukkiriziganya omusango ogwo gugibwe mu kooti era mu mateeka ne tukkirizibwa ne tusayininga n'abeera nga atuwadde emiliyoni 192 ez'okubeera nti atuwongeza ku ekyo ekyali kimuweebweddwa.
Sheikh Mukwaya yayongera yagira ngu okora hamwe nikiyamba okuleetaho obumwe mu bantu nokwekushaba Abasiraamu okukuuma obumwe hagati yaabo.
Mu bintu byetwenyumirizaamu mwebyo byetugezezaako okubeera nga tukola kwe kubeera nti tugezezaako okubeera nti tulwana bweziringirire okulaba nti tugatta Abasiraamu ba Mbarara Muslim District era n'okubeera nga tugezaako okubeera ekyokulabirako mu bitundu ebisigaddewo.
Abebembezi b'amatwale abahika mu rukiiko olwo ebyo nibyo bagamba.
Nga ab'ettwale twagala buli muzikiti gwonna uguli gubeera gulina purojekiti etambula. Ekyo kimu kyokubiri n'okulowoozaako ebinene tuba tulowooza ku bintu bitono nnyo nnyo nnyo.
Twita abasigazi turigire twagira leka twerwaneho tutaba Abasiraamu tubato mu kintu kya development tubakwataganisa na gavumenti abaana basobole kufuna ekyokukora omwana yafuna ekyokukora nkiza kumura kukira munongo butateekateeka kujja negative mind aha bintu ebindi.
Omugandi omuhandiiki mukuru wa Uganda Muslim Supreme Council Sheikh Ali Muhammad Aruma yashaba Abasiraamu okutaha enkolengana nungi na gavumenti ekyali kugira ngu nikija kubayamba kubirukanjira ekirkwetengesa. Ebyabigambira aha mukolo gw'okutongozaho ekyombeko ky'okureebereramu abatiine ekihwera ekirikumanywa nka Head for Runaway Islamic and Vocational School and Orphanage Center kandi erabe erikwegesa ebyemikono.
As we Uganda Muslim Supreme Council, we are in support of such programs and we are so close with our partners who are supporting such kind of centers so that we can develop our community. And I urge Muslims all over the country, let's be one, let's support government programs.
Yes, this is our second project in Uganda. The first one was in Entebbe, and the cost is about $250,000 to $300,000. And our purpose is to improve the education, to improve the society, to help the people, because we are also coming here for Qurban, we are coming here for Ramadan, we are coming here, we are giving the orphans.
Sheikh Juma Chuchu omuhandiiki mukuru w'ebyobwegyesa mu Uganda Muslim Supreme Council yagira ngu bariyo nibakora ekirikubasika okutendeka ba Sheikh okureeba ngu bashomesa abarikwegyesa ediini y'Obusiraamu ab'omutindo kubaasa kwegyesa abaana ebiribyo.
We also have to give training to our teachers, the Muslim teachers who are teaching the sheikhs, who are teaching the school children. We also have in ICUC we have a program for training our teachers to teach the right thing, because Islam is a religion of peace.
Nteno project tugyetagira ddala ku lw'Obusiraamu tekontana na gavumenti era tuli kimu ne gavumenti eriwo lwa bulungi bw'okutereeza ebyenjigiriza n'okuyamba obuntubulamu mu community yaffe.
Uganda Muslim Supreme Council eyina amashomero ga primary 1386 mu ihanga lyona aga secondary 36 na university 2 ezari kugira ngo kiyambira Abasiraamu nabo kwega akashohora okuza kuyamba ihanga lyabo. Amakuru agashakwa na Gudi Fatima.